Guwahati da panduna leiriba miyoising puraga thaurakhiba bus da Nung thomjilakhre. Ngasi numidang pung 10:05 tabada Guwahati Manipur bawandagi Imphal tamna miyo yankhai humdoi puraga thaurakhiba Royal Tour gi gari ahumgi manungda ani Assam gi Manja Police Station gi manung sanaleibak sabitada Nung thomjilakpadagi akai atoi thoklei adubu gari da tonglakhiba miyoising duri kanamata asu open yaukidre. Thaudok asigi mari leinana gari gi miyoising phungdorakhibada ngasi numidang wairam pung 3:30 tabadagi hauna Guwahati Manipur bawanda panduna leirakhiba lamdam asigi miyo yankhai humdoi Royal Tour gi gari MN0P0298 AS01DC 6759 amasung AS202700 da Imphal tamna tholakhibani adubu gari sing aduna Manja Police Station jawgadaba kilometer 13 rong watlingai da leiba Sebita gi jungle gi sarupta Nungna thajilakibani thaudok aduda AS01DC 6759 gi driver site Nungna pankhi masigi mang thana satliba gari MN0P0298 su Nungna pankhi adubu kahena aso open yaukide lambi gi khudong thininga oiba phibam asiga gari gi miyoising na Manja Police Station na report tawba sangba police station asigi miyoising na makhoi gi jaga nate mafam adudagi satkhro haina tanthorakre asigumba phibam asida Manipur sarkar gi market gi midyang sanghaningi phibam asida makhata na gari gi miyoising na mapana panduna leiriba miyoising lawba satpa haibasi khudong thiningai oire hairi atopa paw manamu private school ojasing gi tolop tangkhai pigedra haiba ngasigi mifamna leplagani COVID-19 gi saithen nanglaba private school sing na mathau tawriba ojasing non-teaching staff sing gi thagi talap tangkhai pigedra natragana mapung oina phangadra haiba hayeng pangthokadoriba secretariat education department gi awangba thaki mifamna leplagani mifam adu education minister TS Radesham na share lawduna hayeng ayuki pung 13 makhai tabada babupura da leiba SSA gi conference hall da pangthokani miyoising gi tuition fee lawba amasung school sing kamdauna salaigadagi haibigi matangna khanagadoriba mifam asida education gi director SCERT gi director joint secretary additional director hills and valley amasung mari leinabi school singi principal amasung headmaster singi saru yananaba mangjongna khangan kiba laikre pawsina makhata na hai Indian government ki thausul makhada Ministry of Human Resource ki makhada salairiba Jawahal Navodaya Vidyalaya Manipur Kendriya Vidyalaya Manipur Sainik School Imphal Manipur Public School Koirengai Catholic School sing all Manipur government aided school employees Coordinating Committee All Manipur Recognized Private School Welfare Association amasum CBSE affiliate tawbat lana school gi mihut ama natragana ani mifam asina yaurgadabani hairi CBSE the affiliate tawbat lana school singi fee lawba amasum oja singi tolopi bigi mo Manipur lengak na lepaduda sanaragani atopa maru oiba paw manamu me taragani thoidagi train service hauragani lockdown maram oiraga nahan makai suspend tawduna lakhiba passenger train sing me taragani thoidagi hauna New Delhi station dagi leba asigi major station sing fawba service lairagani Union Minister of Railway and Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal na wafam asi phongdokloduna masigi booking me 13 gi pung 3 digi hauragani hairi amaromda suspend tawduna leiriba domestic flight digi me 15 digi paiba hauraba yai han Union Minister of Civil Aviation Hardip Singapore na phongdokhre adumakpo flight operation asi green zone state singkhaktama connection laigani hairi loisilakpada maruiba paw manamu ngasi PM ga CM singa wari sanagani COVID-19 pandemic lanthengnana ba India pumada thamliba lockdown gi matangna hayeng numit jungba matungda Prime Minister Narendra Modi na lebak sigi state amasum Union Territory singi Chief Minister singa video conferencing gi khutangna wari sanagadori Prime Minister na Chief Minister singa wari sanaba asida Union Home Minister Union Finance Minister amadi Union gi Health and Family Welfare Minister su saru yagani hairi hawkiba March 13 gi ahing Nongyai laisat asi lanthengnana ba lebak pumada thamlakhiba lockdown ga mari leinana Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Chief Minister singa video conferencing gi khuthangna wari sanaba asi hayeng sanagadoriba asiga mangarak subane Chief Minister singna wari sanaba asida ahumlak suba tangkaki oina tha asigi 33 fawba sangdokliba lockdown gi matung tarakpa amadi lockdown manungda mayok nariba sel thumgi khutong sadaba sing amadi laisat asibu lanthengnana ba paikhatliba thorang singi matangna khanaraba yai hainasu phongdorakhi